I did my undergraduate studies at Duke University, where I got a Bachelor of Science in Biology and Computer Science. And I decided to go to graduate school because after my undergraduate, I decided to work as a technician at the Center for Human Genetics. And I really enjoyed learning all the different techniques to pursue the various genes that would cause genetic diseases, such as Alzheimer's. But I really felt that I was not able to pursue the questions in depth, and so I decided to go to graduate school so that I could learn what was the appropriate way to go about doing these things. I decided to do my grad school at Carnegie Mellon in the Department of Biological Sciences because I really enjoyed the department when I visited during the recruitment weekend. Everybody was really nice, and the professors were really, really interested in what I was doing, and they seemed to really care about what I wanted to do with my life and why I was pursuing a graduate degree. And so I think that level of interest, just from knowing me for a few hours, was indicative of the kind of people that I would get to interact with in the next few years. And so with that understanding, I decided to enroll in the biology department here at Carnegie Mellon. I graduated in the summer of 2011, and I worked in the lab of Dr. Phil Campbell. And for my thesis, we were really interested in studying how inflammation would affect stem cell differentiation. And what we found was that inflammation does affect stem cell differentiation, and in fact, it causes cell death. So it's really important to come up with different ways to control it such that you can minimize inflammation but not eliminate it, so that you can speed up the healing process. Apart from the scientific techniques that I learned in lab over the past 6 years as a graduate student, I think the most critical skill that any Ph.D. will pick up, especially in the biology department, is to think critically about any sort of problem that you may encounter and how to go about solving it or how to go about troubleshooting. And I think these skills are really relevant in any field or any job. So I think these are good skills to pick up and good skills to have. In the future, I will be a postdoc in the lab of Dr. Greg Cooper. He works at the Children's Hospital in Pittsburgh, and we will be studying craniosynostosis, which is the premature fusion of the bony plates in your skull. And this results in increased intracranial pressure and lots of pain and discomfort for the children. And we will be studying as to how we can solve this problem. I think my best piece of advice is to start writing your thesis early. Don't wait till the last minute, because it's a long process, and when you start early, it will be a smooth journey up to your thesis presentation. So start early and really get a bunch of good friends to help you look over all your drafts so that you'll have minimal corrections to make.